Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
My name is Anna.
My name is Tom.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time here.
Oh, really? I come here often.
The cafe is very nice.
Yes, I like this place.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do. I like coffee very much.
Me too. I drink coffee every day.
What do you do?
I work in an office.
Oh, I see. I am a teacher.
That is nice.
Thank you. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
That's good.
Do you live near here?
Yes, I live nearby.
I live a little far.
Oh, really?
Yes, but it's okay.
The coffee is good.
Yes, it is very good.
I'm happy to meet you.
Me too. I'm glad we met.